In this video, we are going to see how we can solve this problem with the disk management error. If you see this in the computer management that says you do not have access rights to logical disk manager on whatever is your PC name. So let's see a quick solution on how we can resolve this issue. So first of all, guys, we go to the start menu and right here, control panel, open that up. And on the right hand side, we have this user accounts. And under here, we have change account types. So we want to click on change account type and just click on that, whatever account type you have. Let's try it with the local account administrator. Click on that, click on change account type. And if it is set to standard, make sure you change this to administrator. Mine is already changed. Let me just try creating a new user just to show you. Add a new user. I don't have this person signs info. And this is a test. And we want to continue with the add user with no Microsoft account. So user is, let's say test, make it secured 1234, 1234, just to keep it simple. Click on next. Okay, we have to mention that one as well. So whatever you want to mention, whatever is your security details, click on next. And here is our account. So it is set to standard. Now what we do is just go to the user accounts again, change account type, and whatever is your account, just go to the change account type and change it to administrator. And after that, you hit restart your computer once in order to make that effective. And then we open up the disk management, open that up. And after that, you will notice that everything works perfectly fine. So that's about it. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.